he said to me in his own words that he didn't fit in, like he didn't feel like he belonged. And that really upset me.
Welcome to the Bishop Stortford Community Podcast, the show where we shine a light on the incredible businesses, community leaders and local legends that are shaping our town. I'm your host, James O'Donnell, and today we are joined by Amelia Laws. Amelia, great to have you on the show.
Hello, thank you for having me.
No problems. So Amelia, for those of us who don't know who you are and what you do in Bishop Stortford, who are you and what do you do?
So I have my own gym, which is more than just a gym. It's a community hub where everyone is welcomed, no matter who you are, your age, your ability, your background. Yeah, basically it's just a fun, safe space for people in and around Bishop Stortford to come and train and to make friends.
Fantastic. What's your gym called, Amelia?
It's called Apex Strength and Wellness.
And whereabouts are you based?
We are based on South Mill Road, just off South Mill Road, on Millside Industrial Estate. So near the Shell garage.
Fantastic. Okay. And how long have you been running a gym for, Amelia?
So I opened in July 2018. So quite a while, and it's changed a lot. I started off with one unit, which was more of like a class-based space for me to train my clients. And we did classes, we had martial arts here, we had yoga. And then COVID obviously happened and it affected a lot of businesses. And just like every other business, it was really hard, but we managed to get through it. We opened a second unit next door, which was great, which means we could expand. So then we've got 2 offices upstairs, which is what I'm currently sitting in. We have more space, and then we have physio here as well. So we kind of just expanded, and then we turned it more into a gym. So not so much classes. There is classes here, but there's also a gym membership, so people can just come in and out and train whenever they like.
Awesome. What was your spark for starting a gym, becoming a PT in the first place?
Okay, so I was 21. I'd gone travelling. I didn't have a clue what I wanted to do. I'd just finished uni, never used my degree again, and I was clueless. My mum was working as a support worker within a local care company. So I got a job there, and I used to work on the day service side. So that's like supporting individuals out and about, going cinema, gym, whatever. So I took this guy with Down syndrome to a gym, and he said to me in his own words that he didn't fit in, like he didn't feel like he belonged. And that really upset me. That was like, oh, that's sad. So I grabbed him, we got my phone, we put a bit of S Club 7 on because both me and him are obsessed with S Club 7. We grabbed some dumbbells and we danced around and we just had fun. And it was from that moment there, I was like, I know what it is that I want to do. So I qualified. My confidence wasn't that great either. I'm not the most confident person. So that was like a big step, getting qualified. So I qualified as a gym instructor, then a PT. I worked for a little while at the Hilton Hotel Gym to get some experience. I then started my first class for SEN clients through the care company that I was working with. And then from there, it kind of snowballed. It was like I started off with 1 class a week for the first month. And then I was getting phone calls asking to go to people's houses, to go to other care centres, because that was missing from the community. And there's a lot of gyms in around Bishop Stortford, Harlow, Sawbridge, Saffron Walden, there's loads. And they are all very welcoming, but everyone is different. And I knew there was a gap for what my clients needed. So I then rented gyms, like rented spaces in gyms, but nothing was quite right because a lot of the gyms I rented had big mirrors, very loud. Gyms can be very loud places, noisy. And a lot of my clients have sensory issues. So I needed to create a space, like I wanted my own space that I could help with that element of going to the gym. So going to a gym can be quite scary. You're quite overwhelmed. There's lots of people, there's loud noises, it's very busy. So creating a quiet, safe space where you come in and you're like, I feel like I'm at home here, I feel safe. So then when I saw a unit up for rent, I was like, that's the one. So yeah, I got it and I just put everything into it. And 7-ish years later, I'm still here and it's expanded so much. And I have a real community of people here which, you know, it's very quiet. When you walk in, there's no music, but there is option to have music on. So people have access to the speaker. They can turn their own music on in the background. There's no mirrors. We have no mirrors apart from one in the toilet, and that's it. We have a sensory room as well, so if things can get a bit overwhelming, there's a real safe place that you can go and sit out. We've got like galaxy light and lights, and it's just, yeah.
Amelia, this is fantastic. You know, I said to you before we started recording, I used to work in a gym, and the sensory overload that you get from walking into so many gyms, you get absolutely loud music playing at you. There's all the machines are flashing and, you know, going off in your face. And as you say, mirrors everywhere. And I can see how anybody might get a kind of sensory overload, and then not be able to actually be who they want to be themselves in that space, to have fun, which is what you want to be doing when you go when you go to a gym. I think there's going to be lots of other people that haven't heard of what you do that are going to be interested in that kind of space.
Yeah.
Most definitely. And also 7 years, you know, there's so many businesses that don't last 7 months, let alone 7 years.
Yeah.
How have you managed it?
I think it's the people that support you. Okay. I run the gym by myself. This is my gym, but it's the support from the community. It's support from my family, my mum and dad. Like, without their help, I probably wouldn't have lasted, because it's hard. You know, there's times where it's really hard, and you have to keep positive. And, you know, my mum and dad have been amazing. They still are. Like, my dad and my brother actually built the offices that we're sitting in now, like I'm sitting in now. You know, it's the help. My mum even qualified as a class instructor to cover me when I'm ill or if I go away.
Oh, fantastic.
So without that help, I wouldn't still be here. And the support of the community as well, and like the members here, and to know what you're providing has such an impact on certain people's lives, gives you that motivation and that desire to keep going and to do better and to keep providing them that service. So without them, that they're the reason I'm still here 7 years on.
Fantastic. And what are you working on right now that you're excited about?
So me and Kayla, who is a PT down here, we are working on, we've just launched our very first small group PT classes at Apex. So we do classes here, which are, you know, you can have multiple people here, but the small group PT classes are capped at 6 people. It's very much designed for people's goals, their abilities. They're all planned to who is actually in the class, and they're like set number per week. So that's our latest launch. And then on the side of that, we run something called 6 weeks to reach your peak, which is basically a 6 weeks personalized program, which includes 6 one-on-one sessions for an hour. It includes unlimited classes to access to the small group PT classes at the gym, complete gym use as well, nutritional advice, weekly check-ins, and gym app access. If someone is looking to restart, to get back into it, if they've got out of the habit of going to the gym, or they don't know what to do and they're clueless, then this package will help you get back on track or get to where you want to be with like one-on-one support.
Awesome. And the idea for that is that you kind of kickstart your knowledge of what you're doing, and then you would move into coming along to your classes or coming along to the small group PT afterwards. Is that the idea?
Yeah, so the idea would be like you can then have a choice, because one thing I've always said is I want the gym to always be affordable to everyone. So we offer different packages. So if someone did the 6 week reach your peak and they were confident and, you know, they wanted just to come and use the gym, then they can come and use the gym as a gym membership, which includes a couple of classes. They can come and enjoy that. If they then wanted the more one-on-one experience from the small group PT, then they can join the small group PT class package, or they could go on to personal training. So there's all different options to help you carry on. So it's not like 6 weeks and then that's it, done. We're constantly here. Like if someone wanted just to come and join the gym, and again, they don't have a clue, they've never stepped foot in a gym, they don't know what half the machines do or what they should do, we don't just say, carry on, crack on. we'll go through an assessment to see how the body works, how you're moving, what mobility issues you have. Do you have any injuries? We'll show you exercises that are going to help you that you can do. And then you get access to an app where you have a program which you can follow, spending how many times a week you want to train. And then each day, like, so for example, you've got full body 1 program. We'll show you exactly what you're doing. You can get used to that, and then we'll book in for another session where you can then go through the other exercises, because we want people to exercise correctly and confidently. So not just not knowing what to do, you know?
That sounds fantastic. I think, you know, the space that you've spoken about, and then that kind of approach that you're taking to help people that maybe haven't walked into a gym before, and actually give them that support, I think is so important, because, as I said, I think a lot of gyms are quite, you know, can turn people off. Like the default, as I said, is loud music, lots of, you know, machines going off. And if you can give someone a safe space that they can walk into and not feel intimidated, I think that's going to help out a lot of people. Amelia, where's the best place for people to find out about Apex, about what you're doing online, so they can follow along and maybe reach out to you?
So we have just updated our website, so please go and take a look. It's apexgym.uk, and then we're on Instagram, Apex Gym UK, and we're on Facebook too. So yeah, you can come check us out there. You can also come and try the gym for free as well. We offer free sessions, whether you want to just come and have a look around the gym, whether you want to come and try some classes, just drop us a message. You can email us at info@apexgym, and we can get all that set up, especially as we're entering a new year. Come and try the classes, come and see if we're the gym for you, because obviously there's so many gyms in Bishop Stortford and the surrounding areas that Apex isn't going to be for everyone, but it could be for you. So try the gym if you like it. If you're looking for a nice quiet place where you can just come in, do your stuff, meet people, off you go, then yeah, definitely come and give us a go.
That's great. We will put links to the website and the different bits that you've mentioned there into the show notes. So if anybody's listening to this or watching this, they can reach out to you. And if there's anybody out there that you can think of that isn't on social media that might be interested in what Amelia and what Apex is all about, then share these links with them as well, so they can reach out to Amelia there. Thanks so much for that, Amelia. Are you ready for some Stortford Spotlight questions?
Yes.
Yeah. This episode is brought to you by It's a Wash Thing. They're a local home-based laundry service here in Bishop Stortford for busy families who just want one less thing to think about. Free pickup and delivery, eco and non-bio washes, and everything comes back clean, folded, and actually sorted properly. If laundry is one of those jobs that quietly drains your energy, It's a Wash Thing has you covered. Search It's a Wash Thing on Facebook or check the show notes. Right, back to the show. Fantastic. These are 3 short questions that we ask every guest that comes onto the Bishop Stortford Community Podcast. So, first question. If you could put one sentence on a billboard in Jackson Square, what would it say and who needs to hear it the most?
It would be the fun and friendly gym in Bishop Stortford where everybody's welcome, like everyone.
Wonderful. What a lovely sentiment. And it definitely sounds like that as well. I really hope that from doing this, there's going to be someone out there that hears this that can come along and get started on their journey. What a fantastic space. Thanks, Amelia. Question number 2. Where do you go in Bishop Stortford that you secretly hope never gets too popular?
Oh, this is a hard question, right? Because, well, the one place that I go that I'm really grateful for is Prestige Garage, Mechanic Garage.
Okay.
John,
go on.
Right, John, who owns the garage, is just a legend. Like, he knows his stuff, right? He looks after my car, he looks after my partner's car, he sees my mum's car now, like, and he's just so honest and upfront and gets the job done. You know, if I've got a problem, I'll like, hey John, can you squeeze my car in? Off it goes. My car's there now at the moment, actually.
That is the first mechanic recommendation that we've had, most definitely. I'm sorry, John, you might get popular now because we're going to tag you on the show notes and everything.
I think he's quite popular. Just you have
Oh,
to,
right.
Yeah, I think he is. He's good, but let's get him more popular.
Yeah, let's do it. Fantastic. Thanks for that, Amelia. And question 3, who's doing something special in town that more people need to know about?
So this one, I think, is a guy called Alex. Now, he is a physio, and he does work for the NHS, and he also does some private work as well, but he's not just a standard physio. He does a lot of neuro rehab. So he'll work with people with Parkinson's, MS, brain injuries, strokes, spinal cord injuries, and he's the best physio that I have ever come across, especially in the line of work that I do as well, and the people that I have coming through the door. He needs more people to know how great that he is. And he also needs to know how great he is, because I don't think his confidence, even though he's so knowledgeable, he needs to be shout about. Like, everyone needs to know about him. And he's called Alex. Don't ask me his last name.
Brilliant. Alex the physio. Look, we will find his Instagram handle.
I have his website. I can give that to you.
yeah. We'll put all those links below, because that does sound, again, very focused. But more people need to know about what he does to help support the work that he does out there. And there's going to be people that need that kind of specialist help. And let's shine the light. That's what it's all about. Finally, Amelia, give me your website again one more time.
It's www.apexgym.uk.
Awesome. Look, that's a wrap. Amelia, thank you so much for joining us today on the Bishop Stortford Community Podcast.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. It's been great.
Fantastic. Amelia's first podcast. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant work. If you enjoyed the show, if you enjoyed this episode, the best way to support us is to hit follow, leave a quick review on YouTube, Apple, or Spotify, and share it on your socials or with someone in town who you think should hear it. And if you've got a local legend, someone like Alex, the physio, or Amelia, that you think we should feature on the podcast, drop me a message or tag them in the comments so that I can reach out to them and book them on the show. That's why Amelia's here, because Sue suggested that I get in contact with Amelia to book Amelia on the show. And that's how it can happen. So please go out and do that. Please go and support local. Go and support your local independent gyms and shops. That's what makes Bishop Stortford a great place to live. Thanks again, Amelia.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you run a business built on trust, but your website's full of stock photos and silence, we need to talk. True Tone Testimonials helps coaches, consultants, and other service providers turn real client stories into high-converting video content. No scripts, no fluff, just honest words from real people who already love what you do. They're professionally filmed and ready to drop onto your site or into your socials. Head to truetonetestimonials.card.co. Let your clients do the selling. Okay, support local. Let's get back to the show.